This is Scott Becker with the Becker Business Podcast and the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Today's discussion, the markets hit record highs and the budget bill moves to full Senate debate. So here's what we're seeing. First, on Friday, the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ hit record highs. They also point up today. Great story in the Wall Street Journal. From tariff pain to record highs, a wild quarter on Wall Street. And isn't that the truth? Second, the big, beautiful bill, as termed by the Trump administration, moves forward onto the Senate floor today for a lengthy discussion. They're calling it votorama or something of the sort. It cleared a procedural hurdle on Saturday to get there. Now it moves forward. It's projected to add $3 to $4 trillion to the debt. There is this divide in the Republican Party between those that are deficit hardliners and those that are also trying to, on the flip side, trying to protect some what are thought of as the safety net programs. Of course, the reality is somewhere in between, but that's where we're at currently in terms of the Senate bill. It heads to the floor for further discussion today. Third, mid-market M&A remains subdued. Big dollar M&A is up. So the first half of the year, you've seen an increase in overall dollar deal volume, but a decrease in total deals. What that means, more big deals are getting done again, but small, mid-sized deals are going slower. Those are down about 16% so far. Fourth, Palantir Technologies had one of its first bad days in a long time on Friday. It was down 10%. It's a headline we've not seen in a while. The stock looks set to partially rebound today. Fifth, Nike jumped on Friday, and that's notwithstanding its profit dropping 86% and its revenues being down 11%. There's optimism the worst is over. It's fascinating to see the stock jump so much on such poor earnings. Motley Fool reports, is it time to just buy Nike as a rebound starts to take hold? So we'll see if that happens. We'll see where it's going. Sixth, a great article and story about an investor, Naveen Chadha, I'm not that familiar with, but he has a whole story on will AI destroy consulting, law, and accounting. And it essentially says why AI will eat McKinsey's lunch, but not today. So in the future, at some point, AI will have a bigger and bigger impact, but not yet. Finally, seventh, Carvana rose 4% on Friday. It also got another lift on Friday as Bank of America raised its outlook for Carvana. Again, a fascinating story because Carvana for years was on the smoke and mirrors and seems to have at some point built a real business, and so they continue to do well. Thank you for listening today to the Becker Business and the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you.